What's up, my man? Good morning. Yeah, I was gonna take this short overnight on Euro. It's entry there at 5 a.m. We don't have news today, so we're definitely gonna wait for macro, and we're gonna stay patient. It's been so long since I've been on an account. Okay, what are my accounts at? I don't even know. 49, 51, 51, 49, 1, 49, 1. Okay. What's up? I'm gonna call you Callan. What's up, my brother? Okay. I quickly want to scan gold and stuff. Oh, okay. We tap in to the daily. The weekly lower. What's up, Francisco? What's up, my man? Good morning, brother. What's up, Tensed? Good morning to you too. What's up, Arrow? How you been, bro? As soon as we took out Southside, I really feel like I got plays. Oh, USD CAD took out the high. Question is, what did DXY? DXY? DXY is still bullish in my opinion. So I'm willing to continue looking for shorts. DXY is still bullish in my opinion. Okay, let's go. Let's look at the charts. Oh, initially I was bullish. I posted this in my Discord. Hmm. Pretty obvious why. S&T key level and a discount. Draw liquidity being the fair value gap above. So very simple. Um, However, it is Monday. Pretty close to the fair value gap right now. So I think I'm more interested in shorts for today. Where we stopped trading. That's here. A new day opening gap. Yeah, I'm more interested in shorts. Maybe we run out this high. Although I'm not really interested in Probably get SMT there. And we just target the lower distance liquidity because I'm expecting choppiness. Pretty simple. Pretty simple game plan. I mean, we pretty much only expanded. What's up, Kumar? What's low of day? Low of day. What's up, man? I'm good. Hey, Chris, what's up, bro? Honestly, unless we have take this high with SMT, not interested in much. Um, we have low resistance liquidity. We're in a deep premium. I'm expecting a choppy day, so I don't expect this to just keep expanding. Um, the daily fair value gap on ES. I think we're gonna have S&P at 9:30. So let's just wait. See if we get it, and we'll look for shorts. Probably target. So what the hell is this? Why is my GAN box just white? Weird. What's up, Fear Man? Value USD at a critical level, you said. Yeah. We took out the daily for value gap, but that's what you're talking about. I'm in longs out from near the bottom. Good luck, bro. I think I'm still pretty bearish on the higher time frame. I want to see the weekly fair value gap get tapped in. If we invert this, could target this, but it's not really good RR. Not really good RR. I'm still bullish on the higher time frame. I was looking at shorts, but if I was gonna take a short, if I was gonna take a long, like no, there's no way. I would have needed to have seen this inverse. Be there. No SMT. I'm personally still bearish, guys, on gold. But you could probably catch, yeah, with the turtle soup, you might be able to catch some nice RR. If you caught that entry, depends how good of an entry you were. We did tap into the daily FEG plus. But we do have the weekly still below, and I'm still bearish higher time frame. Uh, is there a possibility that NQ will take equal? I mean, it's possible, yeah. Anything is possible. I don't think it will. It could. It'll probably just run the high. Yeah, it'll probably take out the high. That's what I'm waiting for. We would target this 4-hour imbalance. But we would literally just be targeting discount of the range. Yeah, it does, but I'm not expecting a big move today. And I want to see weekly manipulation. We haven't had that yet. So personally, I don't think. Yeah, and there's going to be SMT there as well. So all right, the game plan. We're waiting for these highs to get swept. Okay. Once these highs are swept, we're going to look for shorts and SMT. It looks like there's going to be an SMT at previous day high. Why are we looking for shorts? One, it's no news Monday. I'm expecting a chop. Because we've only expanded, we're in a deep premium, and I'm not expecting one-way expansion on this Monday. I'm expecting more of a chop, not necessarily like any key levels to be reached. Um, so being in a deep premium, sweeping out buy side, I'm expecting price to go back at least towards equilibrium and then chill around there. If we do decide to expand, we would most likely be expanding higher. I am bullish longer term. We leave out those highs though, and we come into a discount. That's a different story. We just swept to the sell side. Not a long and a premium, but that looks like a nice Judas swing. So I think we go higher now. About this. I think that was a nice Judas swing. Would I ever participate in longs? Not really sure. I mean, those highs look really good, but we're in a deep, deep premium. Can I mark the 4-hour order block? Sure. The bullish one? This would be the bullish one if it forms 27 minutes. The bearish one? Okay. You can use this. It would be this. You can use this. But this is a low probability order block because we're in a discount. I mean, we're in a, yeah, sorry, discount. So you're not going to use a bearish order block in discount. You can also use this. You can also use this, but again, it's also low probability because it's in a discount. Your real order block is over here, for example. This is your real bearish order block. Came into a fair value gap, went lower. This is your real order block. These ones are not real order. You don't use these as order blocks because um, we want to long this. Yeah, I want to long it too, to be honest. Oh, we tapped into the 50-minute. Ooh, that's on. Yeah, I wouldn't use that. SMT inside the 50-minute fair value gap. It goes higher, boys. I think I'm actually willing to put this on. ES inverts. 15 fair value gap with SMT. Yeah, we have the SMT with clean equal highs. Partial off here. What you thinking? I'm thinking we take out these highs right now. That's what I'm thinking. Thinking if we could also fill me on this fair value gap would also be nice. ES already took the high? Damn. Okay, we're gonna close this. We're gonna close this because ES already took the high. We're not trading with that S&P there. If you want to stay bullish and move upwards to fill gaps upside, which take out some previous 2-day high and that take out 24 2 low, that in bullish continuation. Stay bullish and move upward to fill gaps. I think it's I don't I think you may be overcomplicating it, brother, because look, we already swept south side. We already have an SMT. Where's the SMT? It's like somewhere here. We swept south side, we swept SMT inside of a key level. The drawn liquidity is higher, 100%. It's this bearish fair value gap. The only reason I'm not looking for higher time frame longs is because um, we're in a deep premium. US 100 didn't take the lows. Okay. Needing cereal. Cereal is good. Yeah, this setup's gonna fail. I don't think this long is gonna work out. Yeah, we did take out my chart. Mine, are you sure no low has been taken? If you guys look at the Nasdaq chart, you're just saying US 100. I see, I see. You guys need to look at the Nasdaq chart. These are supposed to be correlated. So there's SMT there, which is now an even greater sign that being manipulated to go higher. You just have to make sure you look at the Yeah, Nasdaq. Nasdaq. So Nasdaq took it. US 100 has actually gone start ass. I have some questions. Sure, brother. What's up? What's your question? Okay, we're about to take out these relative equal. Oh, we already okay. We just took out the relative equal high. So we were right about that long. We didn't get a fill. Not a big deal. In hindsight, I could have just market bought right here. It is what it is. I'm not gonna complain about it. What do I want to see now? I really want to see this S&P. Perfect equal highs there. He didn't claim to make the algo. And when it comes to large institutions and large orders, he teaches that concept as institutional order flow, which still matters. 100 points in 5 minutes. I know there is not one algo, multiple algos. Could be multiple. I don't know. From what I learned is price delivery is algorithmic. Makes a lot of sense to me. Okay, we made equal highs right there. We have the SMT, but there's no real need to go higher. Do have the SMT. How could I trade this? I'd probably wait for the macro or 10. See how we wait for the macro at 10. See if we can take some shorts. I'll probably be taking like a fixed 2R or like a break even at 2R because I don't want to be stuck in a chop. Previous day high SMT right there. Let's go back into the range. Can you explain macro? Yeah, it's very simple. So macro is just a time. Now, okay, I'm gonna say this once, bro. I hate when people say like, "Yo, it's 920 to 940 macro," or that's not a macro, bro. He has explained it many, many, many times. A macro is simply 10 minutes before the hour closes and 10 minutes at the start of the hour. So 9:50 to 10:10 is a macro. Macro is simply time. It's just a time where you expect a price move. You expect an algorithmic signature, which is whichever like if it go runs some stops, if it forms a fair value gap and rebalances it, if it you know sometimes a macro can just consolidate, but you expect algorithmic price delivery during a macro. So macro is just specifically a time. He claims market will never change. Why would market not change? Why? Because the algorithm, no, brother, because the algorithm was developed to like maximize price delivery efficiently. They're as efficient as they can get. So I think so too, Fearman. I think so too. But you got to be cautious, right? It's still no news Monday, and you had Asia and London expansion. So I'm sad I missed this short. I was gonna take it. The trading London session previous day high, targeting previous day low is freaking golden. I feel like you can get away with so many easy wins. Like you just look for SMT at previous day high and and there's any T level in play, you just take the short. Like here we formed a bearish fair value gap. We could have just shorted this. Target previous day low. 2.3 R just like that. No drawdown. You could even put your stop loss here because if it forms the order block, then you'd expect it to hold anyway. Or stop loss at the old high if you want to save some. You could get at there like 3R, just previous day high, previous day low. But you'd have to be up. I was gonna take this, I swear to God, but then I canceled my order because I was like, it's Monday. Are we really gonna form high of the week on Monday? Okay, we're waiting for the 950 to 910 macro. Yeah, you know what? Even if he is wrong, it doesn't even matter to me at this point because they work. Do I trade Forex? Yeah. Trade futures and Forex and stocks. Oh, speaking of stocks, Roku, how's my stock doing? Guys, I own 100 shares of this stock and I'm waiting. They have earnings. Ah, back down, huh? I'm lucky. Um, they have earnings this week, next week. I want to sell at 66.5 or just above the daily. And the daily volume. I think we go up from here. I have to fill some of these gaps first. We had a nice run. We're patient though, we're patient. Is there an end dog higher? So we could come back up and fill this, so that's good. Okay, there it is. Did we get a SMT breaker here? My favorite model? No SMT breaker. We got higher time frame SMT. Looks like we might take the high out on ES. And this is why you wait for a key time. So at this point, I'm probably expecting the daily fair value gap on ES. Wasted on my hours and my friends. Daily fair value gap is probably going to get tapped in on ES since we broke the SMT. I'm gonna swap the high. What would I want to see? The daily fair value gap get tapped in. Someone commented on my YouTube saying, "Can you use the full and not use the abbreviations?" So if you're here, there it is, brother. There's your full word. We could just mark out the 4 hour. There's the 1 hour fair value gap. So we have a nice setup here. But we do need to see. I think the daily fair value gap just got tapped in. Usually on Monday you get like an early low of session. You get like an early session low. Okay, we tapped into the daily fair value gap. Let's wait for some price action and see. We got the hourly fair value gap here. If we're expecting that to hold, I want to see us start trading below previous day's low. You notice we also came back into here. You can use, by the way, this is previous day end dog. You can use that as well. So, 3 end dogs you can use. So let's see. Literally 0 entries. Yeah, I tried to take that long. I wasn't interested. Now I'm looking for I tried to take this long, expecting those highs to get ran. Now that we're in the bearish fair value gap and I'm not expecting like a lot of price run, I'm gonna see if we can get a potential short. But longer too early? Yeah, initially, yeah, usually they form really early on Monday. Like you get like a really clean thing on Monday. But I'm expecting chop. Oh, we could get a SMT breaker right here. Um, I don't want to wait till 10. I'd be no news Monday, so you already got to come in with the mindset that you might not trade. Yeah, but like usually it's because you expect chop, right? But damn, we've been pretty directional. So the only thing is, like yeah, my high time frame, I am looking for longs. But the thing is, Monday didn't manipulate any key level, but we did on Friday. If we took 727 loans, that's a 4 hour fair value gap, or the discount low. Damn, I don't know if I can take this. If we get inversion SMT, oh, previous cycle though, doesn't look bad. We are getting displacement, and there is SMT at the key level, so our criteria is met. It could be something like this. If we formed a bearish fair value gap, then I'll be interested. If we inverse and form a bearish fair value gap, I'll look to take the bearish fair value gap. That's my confirmation. Well, if we don't form a bearish fair value gap, I'm not taking this short. But we have Wednesday end dog, the hourly fair value gap, the 950-10 macro sweeping previous day high. And we have SMT at that key level. The reason we're looking for shorts to begin with is because I'm not expecting a large price run on Monday. There's the fair value gap. There's your balanced price range. As soon as this forms, that's your BPR, guys. BPR. Your inversion. I'll take the inversion if it forms. Inversion forms, I'll take it. That was so fast, bro. It never actually touched the inversion. There is a volume imbalance. We can try and sell in that. But we were trying to get in on that inversion. We just got in on the inversion. Let's see if the balanced price range can hold price or if we're going to be taking an L. We do have the SMT. I want to see this fair value gap hold. We are respecting this. I do see that. There's the BPR. I want to see a nice rejection from this BPR. If we inverse this, I'll probably just close early. But let's see, we have 40 seconds in this candle and it's already not rejecting, so. Stop loss is this old low. ES looks like it's respecting, so. I could get souped. If I get souped, we're gonna try again, same trade. If I get souped and it breaks down, we'll try the breaker. It'll probably be breaker SMT if we get souped. I think I'll hold this until my stop loss gets hit because ES looks like it's respecting. So we're gonna give it some leeway. What's up, Goosebumps? Yep, nice. Let's close up that fair value gap, the bullish one. Nice trade during the macro. What's up, brother? Okay, that's a decent reaction. Can we get the order block? Is what gonna be really nice. If we can close below the order block there. So far, no close. Candle looks good. We do have a little bit of a SMT right here as well. Nice. Looks like we're gonna probably get this order block. No, no order block there. That's a failed order block right there. We did get it on ES, so maybe ES looking a little bit weaker. Let's give it some time though. Let's mark out 2R on this trade. So it'll probably be like this low. Be targeting that low and then the other low. Yeah, we did reinverse. So that is your BPR. I do want to see this order block. Form. We do have SMT at the lows. I'm going to really watch this candle. If we fail to make this order block, I might close the trade. We did sweep that low. Could be a soup long. I think this is going to go higher now, maybe, just because how this candle's formed. This candle really is going to tell us. If we can start trading below previous day high as well, that'd be really good. We're in a deep premium. We have a lot of key levels here playing. Nice, we broke the SMT, right? No, okay, there he is. The SMT is broken. We formed the order block. I want to see this inverse. Ideally, if this forms another fair value gap, that's really good for us. Okay, our stop loss is now moving to this high. Oh, you can't see the. Okay, there. Our stop loss is now moving to this high. It shouldn't come back up there. Nice, we got the inversion, very rapid inversion there. Very nice price move. We are already up 115 ticks. ES is, oh, ES is going, man. If you took this on ES, good shit. You took this on ES, really nice. Okay. You know, we could also actually break even here. We're probably going to take partials at this low. We're going to take partials at this low. Oh shoot, what did I just do? I'm trying to see what was my original 2R. Yeah, it's like right there. So we're looking to take partials here, guys. So to take partials, you got to make this 2 and then click buy 2. Thank you, Gaudi. I took out and green. Hey, I'm a signal. I'm proud of you, bro. Good job. Good job. Let's see if we can close some profits for me too. Tapping into the fair value gap. ES hadn't tapped in yet, so it's okay. To see some higher prices for a bit. Right, we can also pull out the standard deviations. I mean the OTE. Bro said, damn, I'm a signal. That's what I'm saying. So we managed to lower our risk by a lot, so that's really good. So see if we can get a TP here. We just tapped into the fair value gap. Let's see if that sends us lower. I want to see like rapidly lower and also close below here. This would still be a bearish order block because we are in a premium still of the dealing range. So this would be still count as a premium order block. I am going to watch. Okay. If ES takes this low, we're probably just going to full close. ES is respecting that fair value gap right there, which I don't like. But if ES takes this low, we're probably just going to full close. Done. Arrow took the dub. Nice, brother. I want to see ES invert this, and I want to see ES form this volume imbalance. That would be like so good for us. ES takes us low, we're probably just gonna full close, guys. Volume imbalance has been closed up. I want to see this inverse, otherwise we might just close. I think we will go break even here. 13 ticks. Okay, we're now break even, so we are break even. I want to see nice close right there. ES took out the low. We're gonna be very cautious here. Getting ready to close my position. Can we take out TP1? I know we have the S&T, but we're expanding. Can we take TP1? I might just full close this. Can we take TP1? ES still expanding. ES still has some lows to go. Don't wick. Just take TP1. Take TP1. Take TP1. The SMT is there. I mean, this SMT is 943. So, I mean, yo, do you guys look at the SMT we have? Imagine you took this on ES, bro. That's the SMT. Look how freaking narrow. That looks like a Y equals MX plus B, bro. What is that? You guys probably didn't even realize that. But yeah, that's 943. That's 943. It's the world's largest SMT, bro. Slopiest SMT. Okay. We're gonna take off two here, guys. It's buy two, right? Okay, we took off two. We're looking at this fair value gap. I want to see this support. If it inverts, I might just close the full position. But we're looking at this fair value gap. We took off two. We took off two because the SMT. By the way, I'm trading here. So I'm just mimicking what I'm doing. Why can MXP type SMT, bro? Bro, look at it. It's literally ridiculous. I really want to see this. There's also SMT at 934, so. Okay, we're really close to taking one off here. I'll probably take one more off here and then let the last one go. Good job managing the trade. Yes, we managed really well. We're already break even. We should really just take that low. Really? Okay, there it is. There it is, guys. TP1. That's our TP1. And we're going to leave our runner. Did you look at the second chart? Sometimes. There's TP1. We caught a really nice trade. And might just close the rest right here. So I'm thinking about like stop loss here and letting the rest go. We'll put the stop loss there and let the rest go. Because that's 2R. We're not going to get greedy. It's Monday. It's Monday. We're not going to get greedy. Let's see if it gives us more. If it gives us more, that'd be great. If not, that's okay too. We do have SMT at the lows. Good break. Thank you, brother. It looks like we might get stopped there. It could also honestly just soup this high and keep going. You can't even see the line I just drew. It might just soup that high and keep going, which is why I don't really like my stop loss. But let's see if we can reject off this wick. Maybe we reject off this wick. We don't have to actually take the high. EF tapped into a fair value gap, which is nice. So maybe, even though it's a discount, maybe it'll go lower. Taking the same since there's no FEG. There's, yeah, FEG on ES. So maybe we can, you know, realistically, you know what I could do? I could take off 2 here. ES in the fair value gap. Let's see if we can go lower. But like we're in a discount, right? We're at a discount array, respecting with SMT. Send me the journal on Discord. I got you, bro. But let's see if we inverse this, we could come potentially for these lows. It would be a nice extra 200 ticks almost. So BPR. Where? It's gonna melt now. It might not though. Yes, already went lower. Holding the rest is nice. Yeah, but I mean, remember my stop loss is here. It's not the most protective stop loss. So we'll see. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. We have a breaker in here about to form too. What's a BPR? A BPR, listen, it's not the same as an inversion. Notice I marked them differently. A BPR is called a balanced price range. It's when two fair value gaps overlap. So you see this bullish fair value gap right here, with this bearish fair value gap right here. The parts where the fair value gaps overlap, it's this BPR right there. That's what it's called. It's a balanced price range. Price doesn't need to go back and tap into a BPR. So when you see, like, for example, this bearish fair value gap, it didn't have to go back in there, which is why I entered down here. In this case, it did. It did go back up, which is fine. But it doesn't need to because price has already been efficiently delivered on both sides of the curve. All right, looks like we're getting another expansion leg. Can we hit full TP is the question. Can we hit full TP? Give it to me so I can go tell my girl. She'll be proud of me. We're on a win streak right now, guys. So that's 3-0 after this because we won our last 2. We're finally out of that losing streak. All right, guys, we're going to trail the stop again right here. We're trailing the stop again. We could close here around 350 ticks, but we're going to greed for another 100. We're greeding for another 100. We do have a huge SMT. You only trade in QAnon now, and because SMT said ES weaker. This SMT did say ES was weaker. You're right. I prefer trading NAS because it's a little bit more volatile. But you are right. Let's see if this candle sends us lower. Oh, nice. Breakaway gap. We like that. I prefer NAS just a little. Usually it's a little bit more volatile. And yeah, that's all. That's all I can say. A little bit more volatile. So we trailed our stop. We trailed our stop, guys. It could stab one more time into here. So our stop is 225 ticks, so we're definitely chilling. We should probably scan the 15-minute real quick. It's really hard to say. I mean, yeah, it's 15-minute wick. The thing is, if we take this low, we probably keep going, to be honest. So let's go to Asia. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If we're gonna take that low, we're probably gonna keep going. Do I want to be in that trade that long? No, really. So my stop loss is still there. Fair value gap right there. I knew I should have held my scary ass. You take you only take one contract though? Is that why? Like I took off 2. Yeah, what I'm thinking is We're probably like, I don't really want to leave a runner, bro. It might literally take the whole day. But I'm thinking we take off one here, and then we leave one runner. We just leave one runner for like the rest of the day. Like I don't know how long that's gonna like lunch hour. Good ass trade, good trade management too. Thank you, bro. We'll leave a runner. I'll tell you what, guys. We'll leave a runner till 10:50/11. Usually you'll see a retracement around there. Okay, looks like we're gonna take another one off right here. Listen, I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna leave a runner, guys. One more runner. It's because it's 10:10. The hourly candle has expanded lower. Do you really think this hourly candle is gonna flip? No, right? It's probably not gonna flip. It's probably gonna keep expanding, maybe to this hourly fair value gap. Um, and then potentially retrace/reverse. I don't think this hourly candle is gonna flip, and it's been already 10 minutes and we've expanded this far low. So we're gonna let this run. It's melting. You could leave runners to end dog. Yeah, end dog is pretty low. This is actually org. I mean, from what I learned, this is actually opening range. Oh no, sorry. Where you just moved to where I had my initial TP. The hourly fair value gap. I like the hourly fair value gap. I also like Asia lows. Asia lows would be crazy. Asia lows would be crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna delete this stuff now, guys. You guys already know what made us take this trade. We had a lot of confluences there. A lot of confluences. Um, so this is a BPR. So why did price not come back into this? Wait, am I tripping? Where is it? Wasn't there a fair value gap right here? There is a fair value gap, right? Yeah. So right here, guys, this is actually a BPR. I trade with top step, brother. This is a BPR, which is why price did not retrace. Asia lows that didn't fill the normal values. However, should go base set retracement from the 1 hour. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Like I want to hold this until like 10:50, 11. Um, ideally. Yeah, see how this hourly guys failed? It's not good to just long off the daily. You need to look at the other. And DXY still bullish into the daily fair value gap. Oh yeah, we're in a nice trade here. We're gonna take one more off here. I mean, yo, the hourly and from us is not that big of a difference. But I won't complain with the hourly, I guess. We're gonna take one more off here, guys. Yeah. Um, not really reverse now. I mean, it could. It shouldn't really though. It's 10-12. It's not usually likely for 10-12 to reverse. I mean, we could. Is there a 5 minute? Yeah, we could go back to the 5 minute. Hopefully, we don't. We just go. But my stop loss is literally the 5 minute FEG, guys. So, can you send me the layouts of the chart? You mean what I took the trade on? Yeah, let me go back and screenshot that. All the clicking, guys. You mean this? Guys, I think we're gonna get stopped out at the 5 minute fair value gap. The only reason we wouldn't is if we form another one, which means we can't trade above that high, and then we don't have to go all the way back up there. That's like pretty much the only way. No, don't fill it, don't fill it. It's filling it up, guys. So sad. I think we're gonna get stopped, guys. Just because our stop loss is literally the 5 minute fair value gap. Do you see a long setup? No, I don't see any longs, brother. We're definitely getting stopped right now. If it goes lower, I'm gonna close just with better close. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out right here. Oh, I didn't get to choose. Yeah, so the 5 minute fair value gap, right? This is your 10 a.m. second distribution leg. Tradable for sure. For sure tradable. Um if we invert, we could go long if you invert. 10-15 reversal is so unlikely. We should have maybe just closed at the bottom there because we saw the 5 minute. As soon as we rebalanced this, we should have probably just said, yeah, I'm out. We're in the 5 minute unicorn right now. The 15 minute unicorn. That's a long wick on the 15 minute. Definitely be cautious about that wick. We caught a really nice trade though, guys. That was like quite a bit of points we managed to cap. We never even took out the low. Interesting. So, do I see potential long? This would have been your long. The retracement. Higher time frame, I don't see longs. Price gonna go up probably. Are you doing the silver bullet? GBP looks good right now. SMT in the lows, yeah. So the retracement was likely there. That was a good trade. We're 3-0, guys. We're almost out of. So on two accounts, we're up. We're up 600. On the road to payout, we're almost out of drawdown now. We are we are 3-0. My last three trades were wins, is what I'm trying to say. So that's 3-0. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. I'm very streaky, so I'm hoping I can like run this. Usually just go on loss streaks or win streaks. I never really have like win loss. I've never really had that ever, to be honest. Um, honestly, is it shortable? If we like really reject lower, I wouldn't take it. But trying to read price action here, do I think it's shortable? I really think this is gonna continue lower. Honestly, I do. Execution is too low. I really think this is gonna continue lower. We got stopped out here. Can you show the chart name? Yes, right here, brother. It should be at the bottom. See how it says MNQ1? 2.5R, and we took partials. So I guess we could have, yeah, we could have caught a lot more if we just closed there. That was like a bad trade management by me right there, because we just lost 45 points. I should have known that the 5 minute was gonna get tapped in there, so we should have probably just closed there the 45 minutes. This looks really good to continue lower. Looks really good. Why is price not gonna come back here? It's because it's a balanced price range. So there's that second distribution leg. It's probably gonna go pretty low. In my opinion, it's gonna go pretty low. It's gonna go big sell side. Even though it's a Monday, which is, by the way, this was crazy price action from no news Monday. Um, High, low, lower high, lower low. Where was your best entry in all this? I guess that was just the BPR right there. We entered on the inversion. Let's see, does this play out? We don't really need to mark this out because we entered up there. We just need to journal this. Where did we enter? Did I take this inversion? No, I took this one, right? Yeah. Can you send me layout of chart? Do you mean like this, what I'm, like my notes? Like my markings? Like what I'm doing right now? I get S&P at that high, soup, and then go. That's a really good short. If you get the soup, I don't have a soup thing. Soup, and then NQ respects 50%. Looks like a soup and go. Bro, where do I start learning ICT? On ICT YouTube. Luckily, everything is there for free. You can learn literally everything. You could probably get away with like a 5-point stop loss right here coming up. If we take that high on ES and then you short, put your stop loss at the most recent high. Lame. Saw the end of that short you caught. Thank you, brother. That was a good trade indeed. The only mistake I made, which was pretty significant by the way, because we lost out on 45 points there. I really should have closed here. As soon as the 5-minute here, like I should have closed right here. As soon as this 5-minute got rebalanced, I should have closed knowing that price was going to come back up into here. Instead of having my stop loss at the 5-minute FEG, which made no sense. I really should have secured, I should have secured like 20 to 30 more points. So we kind of fumbled the bag. We fumbled the bag right there. Well, we caught a nice 2.5 R, and it ended up being 2.5 R. So definitely not complaining, but it comes to show you got to be locked in the whole time, even with your winners, because we could have secured an extra 25 points right there. As soon as this rebalance happened right here, could have gotten an extra. So it would have been 21 points because I wouldn't have closed unless we filled that up. What I'm trying to say is we see this, there was a 5-minute fair value gap forming here, and then we closed it up. So you can expect the next one to get. Oh, you mean drawing time? You gotta do them yourself, bro. I can't. Can you share that stuff? Like I just, you mean these things? How do you share that though? You know how to. If you can tell me how, I'll do it. I didn't know you could share those. What is your bias for today, brother? I already took a trade and won. I'm done. My bias for today, chop. My bias for today is chop. I think we're gonna go lower. I think we're gonna go lower still. I took this short. I think this is your second stage entry. You could probably short around now if you see your setup and then hold for 10.50 to 11.10, depending where it starts to retrace. I think this is gonna go lower. The hourly candle, I'm gonna give you guys this gem. The hourly candle opens, goes higher. It's PD. That's a D. It's previous day high. Where was your trade off of? Right here, brother. This inversion. I didn't take the BPR, I took the inversion. And the hourly fair value gap tapped into Wednesday. Newly opening gap. We had S&P at the highs, which kind of sealed the deal for me. The hourly candle opens, goes high, and then forms a low. That low, guys, formed at 10:10, which is, by the way, end of the macro. So that would have been a really good time to close. Notice that? Notice that. 10:10. Do you really think, now you ask yourself, is this hourly candle going to continue distributing lower towards maybe the hourly fair value gap or London lows, maybe Asia lows? Is that what the hourly candle is going to do? Or is it going to reverse? Is that USD? I told you guys I was bearish. I'm still bearish looking at this weekly wick and weekly fair value gap. DXY is still bullish. I'm looking for DXY to come into this bearish fair value gap. And then if that happens, we can start maybe framing another long on here. If we can tap into the weekly, which is a lot of movement, but if we can tap into the weekly and DXY taps into the daily, I think DXY also has a weekly. The DXY also has a weekly, so let's just mark the weekly. If we can tap into both, and then we could frame that in really high probability reversal, where DXY does something like this, and gold does something like this. Alternatively, we could be wrong, and we just go to the monthly fair value gap. You can copy link. I got you, bro. I'll do it. I'll do it for you. I just gotta. Oh, we're gonna get the. Okay, hold on. Let me read this price action for you guys. I've seen this a lot of times. We're gonna get a soup here. We're gonna get a soup. What's a soup? A soup is a run of these highs. This is where you can get really. This is probably, if you want like the lowest risk ever, this is the kind of trades you take. You take these soups because we're gonna take this high, form SMT, and most likely break lower. You just market sell that SMT, and you get yourself like 5 point risk. But you gotta time it really nicely because you said copy the link. What link? Select layout, manage layout. Yeah, tell me, bro. Where do I click? You can copy the link. What link? Oh, export chart data? Sharing? What's sharing? Anyone with a link can view and copy. Oh, camera. Copy link. I got you, bro. I'm gonna post it in chat. I'm gonna post it in chat. Copy link. Okay, I'm gonna post it in chat. Hopefully that helps. I don't know what that does. Let me open it. What does that do? I don't know what that does. To me, it just opened YouTube. So I don't know. Maybe you got it. Hopefully that works. I don't know if is that what you wanted? I honestly might take this, guys, with like 4 point. If I get like a, if I can get 5 points or less risk, I'll take like 2 micros. Waiting for that soup, guys. Okay, took out that high. Run it, run it. Just run the high. Yeah, doing some weird shit. You guys see this? That's SMT right there. There's your SMT. You can literally short this. And then there's your soup. That's your soup. Let's see if this closes lower. That's your SMT. That's your soup. What do you do here? Short the 5 second fair value gap. Some ES moves right now. Is there a 5 second fair value gap? Oh, we just tapped into the 5 second. Yeah, I wonder if Alev's is doing this right now. Alev's love doing that shit. No, I'm not really respecting the 5 second. Captain to here though. No SMT. Oh, you never know. You never know. Oh, SMT's still there. Let's go lower right now. Like you could short literally right now, put your stop loss at the high. Really, I mean, realistically, you could. It's so low risk. I'm not gonna do it. It just feels wrong. It feels wrong. But like hypothetically, you could. There is an SMT there. You would have 6.75. So I'm not gonna do it because it's 6.75. But there it is, yo. It literally could have played out. But you could have closed 2R. You could have literally closed 2R right there. You could have closed 2R right there. This inversion looks good. See what I'm saying, guys? Yo, that soup, you can get insane. Like you can get insane. Like if you shorted right here where that candle closed, okay, 12 point. If you shorted where the next one opened, you would have got crazy. We opened here. So you could have shorted right there. Trusted that FUG. I mean, trusted that SMT. But we're not gonna do that. For me, that kind of messes with my mental. Like if I do when I do stuff like that, like I just take a trade. Like I'll basically it's like outside my model. Like even though I'm expecting it to go lower, it doesn't mean I'm gonna trade it. That's your BPR. That's your second stage entry is forming right now, guys. We said it was gonna go lower. Just to be clear, I'm not trading this, but I do think it'll play out. You know what? I do have other accounts, so maybe we can take it on another account. Seven seven one and 6 9 771. We have another account, guys. We're gonna take this on my other accounts. We just took this on my other accounts. Let's see if we can catch 2 wins. Low risk. We're in this trade, guys. We're in this trade. On my other accounts, we're in this trade. Hopefully this plays out. It looks really good. Second stage entry. Looking to hold towards sell side. Low resistance liquidity. Actually, not really. On yes, there is. $100 risk. See if it plays. I'd be really surprised if it fails now. If it fails, it fails. But if it fails right now, I'd be surprised because we didn't even take out a low. Oh, I guess we did. No, we didn't even take out a low. So SMT here. This is the weaker asset, right? So it can be favorited there. Took out the high there. Let's see if it holds here. Doesn't look like it will. Oh, maybe. Oops. Again with the weaker asset. Tap into the balanced price range, but again, looks like it's gonna fail. Engineering more lows. We'd have to wick pretty significantly right now. We do have a volume imbalance lower. Okay, we're out. We're out. That's it. We're done for today. We're gonna walk away with a lot of profits. Head held up high. So plus 500 on road to payout, plus 400 on my other accounts. What do I think is gonna happen? It kind of just ran for this S&T, so yeah, maybe that second stage is not happening. We just tapped into OTE. OTE 5 minute fair value gap there. That could play. I'll stay here and watch. I am curious. That's your 5 minute FEG. 5 minute FEG. We'd have to get like a nice breaker or something. High, low, or low, high. Good. Yeah, it's not as good really. 1 minute does not look good. But the 5 minute doesn't look too bad. OTE. Curious to see what'll happen here. I still think lower. Still think lower. So let's mark out OTE here. So far it looks like lower. That's your silver bullet right there, I think. Really nice. You'd have to see this inverse. No bearish fair value gap there. Yeah, I think that's it. There's not much more. It honestly, do I think Southside will get taken? Yeah, I really do think Southside will get taken. Um, Still Monday, right? So we could chop. The fact that we haven't moved, if it doesn't move now, it's probably not gonna move. This hourly candle so far has actually flipped. So remember we said the chances of it flipping, so we could just be chopped up in this 9 a.m. candle. We didn't even take out 9 a.m. low. We have S&T at 9 a.m. low. So really, we could just continue chopping, take out these lows, form highs, take out the highs. There was really one good entry right here. I think that's it for me. Question time. Question time. Yeah, the hourly candle actually flipped, huh? Well, there you go. We're gonna delete our drawings, guys. We're done. Unless anyone has questions, we are done. We managed to catch like a nice little scalp, intraday move, but we were not really right about the bias, I don't think. I think we're probably gonna continue higher to the daily fair value gap. Okay, I'm gonna journal because I don't want to start lacking on journaling, and I feel like I do it better when I'm live. So I'm gonna journal this. Let me make sure I don't have any orders open. Okay, it's clean. Okay, journal time. Okay, today's day 9. 9, 2024, 07/22. Trade 1 was a win. We did not take a second trade. Narrative. Took shorts expecting copy day. Flash. No. We had LRLR lower from Asia and London. We tapped into daily FEG on ES, H1 FEG on NQ, at SMT at the 950 macro. I'm too targeted sub at last EQ. Drawn liquidity, discount, that's sell side, 39. Hard top and PDA rate. Wednesday end dog, H1 FEG, daily FEG, ES, previous day high taken. Time, 950 macro, confirmation, inversion, SMT VPR. P&L was plus 500, plus 495 actually. For the charts, we're gonna post comment though. One fatal error. We closed up the 5-minute FEG format. Stop was the most recent high. Let's set myself to the higher of M5 FEG. Once we closed up that F5 bearish, should have closed my position, turning plus 25 points due to the fact it was likely to retrace there. Also S&P 9 AM low. So that was an error that we made. You know, I never posted the chart for this trade. 50 macro, 0719. Let's see if we can go back and chart that for ourselves. Oh yeah, we definitely got this short right here. Oh, that's why I didn't do it. We have SMT there. Alright, time frame SMT. No, we did not. So we took this win. Mark this up too. Very choppy. But yeah, I remember we messed up our close, so we ended up barely making profits on this one, but it was a win. Where did I enter here? EPR. I wonder where I entered. I have no idea. Oh, it was OTE. I remember now. I used to get a nice trade, but we did get OTE. Oh, 7. I think we also missed a journal. We journaled it, but we didn't. Oh, no, we did get it. Did we get this one? It was this one. 0717. 0717? What the fuck trade did I take here? 10:30 a.m. distribution. We took a. I gotta stay on top of my journals. I gotta stay on top of my journals. Okay, 0617. No more missing journals. Journaling is very important. I can't keep missing it. 0617. Um, I don't even know how the hell did I trade this? And 30 distribution is what I was looking at. 1030 distribution. I try getting in here? Was I trying to get OTE of this? How did I break even though? That makes sense. How do I? Hmm. We must have tried to take like this 5 minute or something. I don't know how I broke this. I don't know how I managed to break even here. Maybe we took this. Oh, you know what it was? I probably took the inversion. Wait, what am I saying? Damn, guys, this is why you got to journal. Because now I don't even know. I don't even know what trade I took. Price action is awful. How did I? Hmm. Oh, did I take a long? Oh, I must have taken a long. Oh, I took a long. Okay, I see. I took a long right here. That is something I would take. And I got stopped. Probably break even right here. Something like this. Because it was against bias, I wanted to get out quick. We had the inversion there too. Nice. Let me mark out the inversion actually. Okay, nice. We managed to catch up on our journal. We took a nice win. We'll read what price is doing and then we will call it there. Call it inversion. Uh, all right. Is there anyone here that has questions? I don't even know. No one has said anything in a while. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm not even streaming. I don't even know. Oh, 7/17 was it? Uh, No daily fair value gap yet. Value USD tapped into the daily fair value gap plus again. Swept the low. We have S&P this time. No S&P. DXY still higher, in my opinion. What happened here on thank you. Cool. 1050 macro could give a nice entry right now. Check out this low resistance liquidity. And we close bearish on the hourly candle. Possible. Ooh, we have SMT as well. Nice. Probably goes lower. Probably goes lower. Yeah, look at that. I wonder if this keeps going. Probably will. Hourly. Look at that consolidation. So we were right to expect consolidation, which is nice. Can we really distribute lower? See if this goes lower. I'm gonna keep watching this. And I guess alternatively it could be we continue higher. Tapped into 50%. Actually, we do have the SMT. Still watching this. I wonder if we start taking out these lows, maybe we get a soup here. Or just a failure swing. No soup. Failure swing. Still possible. Maybe ES takes it. Maybe we respect 50% of this wick. Bro, fuck this magnet. And ES takes the high. Like ES will take the high. We respect 50% of the wick and then go lower. That would be nice. There's the SMT. We get the SMT. Do we get the SMT? Doesn't look like it. I want to see rejection lower now because we formed the SMT. We get the order block. Close the fair value gap up. Oh. Might be nap time, yo. 1050 macro. Not doing much. 1050 was over here actually. Oh, that's a nice body. A nice body. Okay, okay. Get a market structure shift. Or are we just sweeping the low? Okay, okay, okay. We're going. The macro is till 11:10, so let's see. It's a crazy SMT though. ES failing. Form a bearish fair value gap. We did form a bearish fair value gap. Ran right through. Volume imbalance. Doesn't look like much happening. Maybe a breaker, but wow, we respected the fair value gap actually. Look at that. Very nice. Is there a volume imbalance there? They're not really in sync, so it might just keep chopping. Well, that's it for me, yo. If anyone has questions, feel free to ask. Um, wait, yo, are people typing in the chat and just haven't seen anything? Wait, I haven't seen a single chat. Oh my god. Oh shit, bruh. How many people did I not reply to? Oh, holy shit. And he's still alive. So what was your short? Okay, I was on the wrong chat, guys. Oh my god, how much shit did I miss? Oh my god, Mikey, CR, Retro. Oh, I feel so shit. TT, Nazar, Notable. Somebody here then said, which one should I start with? Core Con. Are you still here? Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys, bro. Can you send me your channel card? Yeah, it's just black and clear. Um. Oh my god, bro. You've been Pet Goosebumps. I'm so sorry, bro. What'd you miss? That was a crazy trade. That was a really nice trade. Yeah. My chart colors. Where is it? It's here. It's just black and then nothing. Black and nothing. Very simple. One is black and the other one is clear. What's up, Belez? Nizar just yes took high day. No, not yet. So I guess the hourly did end up reversing. Oh, it did. Equal highs, almost. Oh no, yeah, it's equal highs. Got a bullish breaker here. Unicorn. Damn, I missed so much. I wonder who's here. I'm tape reading long there. Nice. On your trade at 7 a.m. today. That's why it's before showing NQ. Yeah. OTE is optimal trade entry. Why did I take NQ? I just prefer trading NQ, to be honest. Even though the weaker asset was ES. It would have been better to take ES. I like the NQ volatility. The layout link. Yeah, I sent the link. I can send it again. Oh, that was my short. I took the inversion, formed a BPR. Yo, I want some risk management accounting tip for Forex. Counting? Yeah, what do you mean by counting? Damn, I missed so much shit, bro. I feel so shitted. Brother, how do I backtest the charts? I'm finding it difficult. Help me with the thing that how would I backtest? I got you, bro. So this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna show you right now. You know what? I'll show you guys how I backtest. Um, I said Roku's gonna fill those gaps off the volume imbalance. Please go higher. That's just me using copium. I really wanted to go higher. Ain't no CPA here. I will tell you how I backtest. I will backtest one trade in front of you guys right now. If anyone has, I missed so much, bro. OTE is optimal trade entry CR. Value USD is dumping. Yup, still bearish towards the weekly fair value gap. Blonde or brunette? My girl, bro. So short. The short that I took was right here. We messed up our TP. We managed to catch 2.8R on one partial, and we closed the rest at 2R. But we lost out on 25 points because of we missed out. Our stop loss was the 5-minute fair value gap. We should have closed it there. We should have closed it as soon as the 5-minute rebalance. We should have just closed. Like I was half asleep. He opened the wrong chat, bro. Cause you know what? On OBS, there's live chat and then there's top chat. Like I don't know the difference, but I guess I was on top chat instead of the live chat. I was like, damn, bro. Like, did everyone leave? What's top chat? I have no idea, bro. Like, here, look. This is my OBS. This is live chat. Oh, you can't see my webcam blocks it. This is live chat. I wasn't here, but even now it's working. So I don't know. It wasn't even working before. I was just here, and I switched to live, and all of a sudden I can see all the text messages. I guess it just froze. I bet you're feeling bad. I felt bad, but I was like, I guess everyone left. I was like, whatever. Maybe they saw my win and they were like, hi, peace. Some people said they signaled me, so I was like, yo, maybe they just freaking took my trade and left, bro. They were like, hey, fuck this. Got my win. I don't need more. It's a nice SMT a day high. Nice to spin. That's funny. I mean, I wasn't that sad. I was like, yeah, we caught a nice win. People joined. People saw. Took the trade and did. That's what I thought, bro. Because I know one guy was like, I'm done for the day. Thank you. I think it was Arrow. Arrow was like, yeah, I think I'm done for the day. See you tomorrow. I was like, okay, bro. Nice SMT there. Lunch distribution. But now I'm here. So if you guys have questions, I was just journaling. So I was like, I was gonna journal and close. Then I saw 1050 macro form SMT, and I was like, maybe this dumps. But damn, look at that. Talk about holy shit, bro. Who sold, bro? Bro, listen. You know what, bro? I will tell you guys something. You can't. Retail logic does not explain every move, but ICT can explain every move. You cannot tell me, bro, that this is selling pressure. It's literally lunch, and we did not even tap into any, like, freaking nothing, bro. But you know what did happen? We swept liquidity. We swept the daily highs. We formed an SMT. Like yo, yeah, it's a good equal high token ES and dump. Exactly, bro. Exactly. But I guess in hindsight it's resistance, but okay, it's resistance plus SMT. Okay, sure. I guess you can see the retail logic kind of. It's resistance. But where would you put your stop loss? Like that's so shit. Where you put random ass stop loss? Trendline breakout. I mean, yeah. I don't think they would. In this case, they would have like probably traded it as resistance. But like, okay, what would you do here then? Would they? They don't use SMT divergence, do they? Oh my god, resistance and support, bro. Like for example, here they'd probably maybe they would see this as like support. I don't know, and then they get stopped out now because the real drop is lower. I don't know. What would I do? I remember when I learned support and resistance. But when I learned from support and resistance, they taught me like you have to wait for it close above. You have to look at the body. They were like, yo, you see like the high, like for example here on ES, like you have to see the high. So I guess I was kind of learning like liquidity because they were like, if you don't see it close above, then it's like it's probably not gonna break, you know, and turn support. It's not a breakout. That's what they taught me, bro. I was like, shit, that makes sense. I was like, there's no close. Like, yeah, it was. They didn't use the word displacement. It was like close or something, which is good. One over risking plus. Okay, which is good. One over risking plus 2%, catching less pips with 2 trades a day. Depends on your mental. If I listen, I will say one thing. If I had my own account, or if I had a lot of funded accounts, I personally would do the waiting for the high, avoid ranging days, avoid high probability, and take only high probability setups, and risking like I like a little more than 1-2%. I would do like 4%, 3%. That's what I would do if I had my own account. But because I'm on fundeds, I personally just take a trade whenever I see my model form. Holy shit, yo, that run was crazy. How many points? 80 points in one candle, bro? The fuck is that wick? Wait, which wick? Which wick? What wick? Money Wizards. I would depends on your win rate. Yeah, it depends on your win rate for sure. Uh, I don't get why you have to over risk in option one. Wouldn't you want to under risk if you're trading more? Listen, I will say one thing. You should always be taking higher probability trades. Always take higher probability trades. That's one. So if option one is taking more trades, but a lot of them are like B, B is not that bad. But if you're taking like minimum B trades, sure. But I wouldn't risk more. Oh, backtesting. I got you. Okay, that's what we'll do. The support is working. I told you guys. We have to go, bro. We have to go to the supply zone now, or the demand zone. Huge fat fair value gap. Let's see if 50% holds. Okay, backtesting. I will backtest right now in front of you guys. So there's two things. There's backtesting, and then there's data collection. This is me collecting data. Any given day, I'm marking out the reversals intraday, and I'm going to study this price action later and make an Excel sheet and see how often the low forms between this time and this time, how often we trade below 830 and then go higher, lower, how what exactly forms, how often is there an SMT, um, stuff like that. I'm gonna do that after I finish all of 2024 so far. I just finished January. I'm almost at February, like halfway through February. That's not really backtesting. Backtesting, I'll show you backtesting. I'll make a new one. We'll give ourselves 50K. Trade NQ, ES. Just pick any date, like 2022 May. Okay, let's not do a summer month. Let's do 2022 to September. Fuck it, September 2022. Bro, why isn't it saving? Right there. And then 2022 September. Like whatever, we'll like you can do it whatever days you want, but we'll just do this. Um, okay, you open up. What's up, man? 1% risking 2 to 3 trades a day. If you want to take 2 to 3 trades a day, then sure, sounds good. You probably won't get 2 to 3 good trades unless you're trading like PM, AM, and PM. Okay, so back testing. Okay, right now we gotta go to the. Let's go to the next day. Oh shit, I have my settings. To 9:30. Okay, 9:30. It's Friday. It just paid for extra play. This is paid for extra play, yes. But you can get a free trial for 5 days, and I think if you want, you can like finesse it so that buy it right now and backtesting. I'm gonna tell you right now. Oh, this is ass. Where are we at? We took 3 previous low. We took previous month low. Three, two, three. Oh, we didn't take 3 previous months low. 1, 2, 3. Sure, 90-day look back. 90-day look back. So I guess probably still looking for shorts. But it's Friday on this given day, so I'm gonna look at the weekly profile, the weekly candle. We could expect TGIF on this Friday. Look at the economic calendar actually quickly. No news. Okay. Wait, is this the 2022? No, it's Friday the 23rd. So Fed chair speaks at 2 p.m. What's a TGIF? TGIF is thank God it's Friday. It's when the weekly candle expands very far in one direction. Yo, look at this beautiful Wednesday reversal. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday high of week, Thursday, Friday expansion. So this is the drawn. This is my personal drawn liquidity. It's 3 previous months low. How am I going to trade this intraday? So we've already expanded lower. I think possibly we could retrace higher this on this day. We have SMT there. Tuesday the 5th. We do have a large SMT. Wait, what is that? July 5th? What the hell's going on here? Wait, where? How was July? How was July 5th? All the way there. Bro, what is this being QBS, bro? Am I tripping? Wait. Tuesday, July 5th. Oh, that's June. I'm a fucking idiot. Okay. No SMT. I think I would expect like a retracement on this given day. So let's see if we can find something to tell us. Okay. I'd mark out 830. So for me, I would use my model. I'd mark out 830. Mark out discount of the daily range. This is what you do at 1 a.m. When I'm backtesting. I don't really backtest trading anymore because I've already done it so much. But I just backtest for data now. What do you mean 1 a.m.? Like 1 a.m. like for the next day? Or when I post my. What do you mean? Honestly, I'd probably just look for longs from this 15-minute fair value gap. SMT there as well. No at night? Backtesting? Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is what I would do. I did this for like, shit, bro, probably like 1,000 days total. Um, to be honest though, I'm maybe more interested in shorts. We're gonna go to 9:15, see what happens here. It's 9:30. We good. So you go forward in time, see what happens. I think the 50 minutes getting invalidated as we speak. So yeah, you see, I guess the Judas swing happened pretty there, but we came into a premium almost up into the 15-minute and then went lower. But again, this all could be accumulation and then manipulation. Take the 15 minutes outside, and then we could potentially look for TGIF long. So let's look at this low. We should take that low. Nice. We took that low out. And do we still have the daily well, the SMT broke. Wait, this is the 1 minute chart. No, SMT did not break. We swept the low on both assets. I'd probably look for a long, targeting this low resistance liquidity, just using simple AMD. On your video, high probability entry checklist, can you show me 50-minute FEG of the first six? On your video, my high probability entry checklist could show 50-minute FEG of the first chart example. Low, I'll show it here. Yeah, but in this case, it all depends about key level though. If I was going to do it on the 15-minute time frame, I would need a 4-hour fair value gap minimum. So it doesn't really just work. Like you would need, a 4-hour fair value gap. What's up, Ryuk? Just back testing. We took a nice win today. I would need a 4-hour fair value gap. Because remember, the SMT is only valid if it's in a key level. If it's a 1 minute SMT, it's nice at the fair value gap. But if it's a 15-minute SMT, or sorry, 15-minute setup, I need a key level. So yeah, this SMT is good for intraday, but to take a 15-minute breaker, that's a lot of movement. Like, see how this breaker formed? Like, low, high, lower, low, higher, high, right? This breaker formed 4-hour G, and then 1 second. That's funny as hell. This breaker formed, yes, but by the time this breaker formed, we've already met the intraday objective, which was this imbalance, like for example. So it doesn't really matter that that breaker formed. That's just like pattern trading. But if there was a 4-hour FEG right here, and then a 4-hour swing high, for example, this one, okay, then that's really valid. You would expect that breaker to likely hold. But I'll see if I can give you an example here anyways. Let's see. Like, I guess I could look for an example. I'd be able to find one here actually. No SMTs. This is basically what I do with Forex. I do that with Forex on the hourly chart and the 4-hour chart. So I look for SMT at a fair value gap on Forex. But like I can show you breaker FEGs that work. We have high, low, higher, high, lower, low. You got the breaker, you got a fair value gap there. But like, yeah, I guess it's really hard to show. I'd have to look for it on the 4 hour. So like maybe here, Thursday at 2 a.m. Thursday at 2 a.m. Oh, that's what I was looking at. Well, there was no SMG there, but it still played. Anyway, I'm gonna continue my backtest, but I hope you get what I'm saying, right? 15-minute FEG, it's all the same. Because I'm intraday, I use 1 minute SMT with 15-minute key level, or hourly, or 4 hour, but I'll like scale down. But if you have a 15-minute breaker, I wouldn't take it unless you have a 4 hour objective and 4 hour key level minimum. But anyway, we said likely we have some AMD going on here. Accumulation, manipulation. Now maybe we can get distribution to the upside. So what am I looking for? Low, high. So if we form the breaker, we could potentially take longs from there. If not, I'd want to see another sweep, potentially lower, waiting for the macro. What is that, bro? I thought there was no news. That has to be a news candle. There's no news. Okay, well, that's weird. We're gonna have to be patient towards the macro or 10 a.m. now. If we get a sweep lower, okay, no SMT. We'd have to start trading above. If there's no SMT, then I need to see a breaker. Okay, there's SMT. No SMT, so it's probably just not. So I guess this was just the move then. This 9. Oh no, that video looks like it's getting ready to dump. No, don't say that, bro. Don't say that. Which was a Friday though. It's probably just gonna keep going lower. Or just be super choppy. Okay. I mean, yeah. So see, not much happened at 10. We're just gonna go to the next day. This is click next day. Okay, we're gonna go to the next Tuesday New York session. I want to actually put on a trade here. Um, Roku looks cooked in the 50-minute chart. It does look cooked. But yo, listen, it's good because trust, bro. Monday low of week. Friday high of week, bro. I'm telling you, if it would have been bad if we went up first and then earnings came and it's likely we just close. But we went down first, which is nice. I told you guys that support was gonna get broken. Um. Anyway, that's how you backtest. I'll try and put on a trade. Did we take up my objective? I think it's Thursday. Is it not Thursday? So still bearish higher time frame. We're looking to trade with institutional order flow. We have buy side swap. This is a freaking um. This is a ranging day. Probably would expect a range low here. What's up, Richard? So let's fast forward a little. So it looks 9:30. 9:30 is going higher. We took out the buy side. Daily charge or any key level. Almost at previous day high, almost at the fair value gap. Let's see if we take it. There's previous day high. Do we get to the fair value gap when we can look for shorts? Unless we start trading below previous day high. So we're trading below previous day high now. Wait, yeah, next week. Did I catch any trades? Yeah, we caught that short at 950. We took partial at 2.5 R and made a mistake, so we closed the rest of it only at 2 R. We could have easily caught an extra like 80 ticks. So 25. We missed out on 25 points because basically what happened was, I'll show you guys what happened. See, this 5-minute fair value gap was forming right here. There was another one. Then it closed it up real quick. So I should have known that it was going to tap in here. That's where our trailing stop was. I should have just closed it down here pretty much is what I'm trying to say. But we still, like, our stop loss was trailed to 2R, so we didn't partial anything under 2R. We did take some off, like 2.5R, which is nice. So overall, really good trade. That's buy side swap and previous day high. What is that, bro? Oh, fuck this back test, bro. How do you trade something like this? 930 Judas? 930 went up. We tapped into OTE, the dealing range at a fair value gap. So we already swept buy side and we're ranging. So I'd expect the low to get taken and then maybe we can take longs again. It looks like search and destroy. We inversed, tapped into the bearish FUG. We could try a short here at 50%. It doesn't show 50%. Just because we're ranging, and I'd expect after taking range high to take range low, but look at that wick on the 15-minute. It is macro. I have to wait for OTE. Let's see the next candle. If we inverse this, I would look for a short. We didn't inverse. See, this is the thing about backtesting. That's the one thing that's bad. We'll try and take this short. The one thing that's bad is the candles don't form. Thing is, we might get souped. Oh, we're gonna get souped. Okay, you know what? Just for the fuck of it, we'll just take the trade. And if we get sued, we'll just take another trade. I mean, it's freaking backtest. I'm not gonna be scared. But the thing is, I wouldn't take this in real life. Would I take this? Bro, this high looks like it's gonna get swept. Bro, like this high looks like it's gonna get souped. I don't know. I feel it, bro. And realistically, we might not even get a fill here. That's a BPR. We could try and take the inversion. All right, let's try the inversion. Let's risk 500. Wait, how is it? Maybe 2R, right? Yeah, so why is it saying? Wait, profit. What is that, bro? Why do people trade when there is no news of the day? Because usually they expect oh, I market sold. Fuck me, bro. Okay, whatever. Um, well, what are the fast? I don't think there's second charts on this. Well, we hit TP, and it would have filled off the fair value gap and off the inversion, and it would have worked out nicely anyways. So now we can expect range high. Wait, are we gonna take that objective out that I talked about? No. Wait, we're almost at monthly TGIF. That's your second stage entry, 1017. Oh, pretty choppy actually. No second stage entry failed. Okay, next day. Shoot, I keep skipping to 11 o'clock. I gotta skip to 9:30. Okay, we'll do one more. Did we take the objective? No, we did not. Still bearish. I think I'm still bearish unless ES took that monthly low. Ooh, ES took the monthly low. Wednesday reversal. Look at the daily chart. We have SMT at the previous 3-month low. The daily chart, we swept the low on Wednesday. We're bullish. Wednesday reversal. Let's go. We got this. What do you look for in a bullish Wednesday reversal? Retracement. Let's see if we can get a low taken out or something that we can potentially look for longs off of. Okay, there's that low taken. There's no fair value gap that I see. No fair value gap that I see. Okay, there is a fair value gap right here on ES. Did we tap in? No, we made perfectly equal lows. Can we? Oh, it's so stupid. Okay, we're gonna go one candle more. That's what I'm saying. We had a really weird wick. 9:35. It's still early. We could still tap in. So we're gonna be a little more patient. See if we can go lower and tap into the 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. We just wicked off that low so hard. So where would I have entered in this case? We took the low. Really hard to get in on this, to be honest. I mean, you could have taken the inversion. It formed right there with the fair value gap. We're really just not going to take those equal lows. Damn, I guess not. That was really nice. I mean, not the best delivery. Those equal lows really did not get taken. Maybe we could get second stage entry here. Yeah, yeah, go, go, go. Go into the 50-minute. Okay, look at this chop, bro. It's a terrible day. I guess we took that monthly low. Oh. Wait, did we just tap into a 15-minute on ES formed after? Thank you, formed after. No, just very choppy. Okay. Next day, guys. Next day. Thursday continuation. We're expecting Thursday continuation. What are we looking for? Same thing as yesterday. 15-minute chart. Add a fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. Yes, it is. We could potentially long that 15-minute fair value. Okay, we just tapped in. Let's see if we start respecting. We took out sell side. If we start wicking really hard, we could look for a trade. We took out the daily low. Let's look at the 4-hour and see if there's something. We are inside the 4-hour. Looks like we're inversing the hourly. What's happening on the daily chart? Oh, we tapped into the bearish fair value gap. We gotta look for shorts. So you tell me it's a Wednesday reversal? Wednesday made the high and low of the week? Oh, that's weird. That's weird indeed. Okay, what do I want to see? I'd want to see it to start wicking higher right now. It's just not going higher. I wouldn't even manipulate. We literally just opened and only went down. See if we can catch 10 a.m. continuation. Not even gonna go to refill the 15-minute? Yo, price is so naughty. Yo, look at this price run, bro. Literally only went down. Literally opened at 9:30, tapped into a 1-minute fair value gap, and went lower. Wait, was there 10 a.m. Was there 8:30 news? There was 8:30 news. So you see what happened. I mean, 8:30 didn't do shit. 8:30 manipulated lower. Damn. I don't know. That's a tough one. It would have been tough to catch this. I wouldn't have caught this move. I would have just kept looking for reversal and it would have never formed because obviously we have like 3 up close candles and we moved freaking 160 points. You know, I wonder if PM will reverse all of this. Yeah, we just chops the rest of the day and then continues. Gold is near the. This is a daily candle, bro. We never really manipulated. I guess London did the manipulation and that was enough. Take standard deviations from London high to low. Yeah, we got about 2.5. Not bad. Yo, you should stream PM. Should I stream PM? 8 PM? But it's Monday. PM is fine, but on a Monday? What would I even expect? Oh, I knew we would take those lows. Didn't expect it to take high of day first. Mm. But we really could not have left a runner to put it at where we entered from. We would have got stopped break even. Even if we left our runner, we entered right here, so we would have got stopped to break even. But there's really no way. Let's look at the other assets. Yeah, I don't think I can trade this PM though. Like I don't even know what to expect. Like I could just trade the silver bullet market structure, but it's not really me, you know? PM reversal. I am bullish higher time frame, but honestly, it could just be. It's gonna be really choppy, bro. Like, bro, It's gonna chop. Look at we expanded so hard. Asia and London, New York took out everything. I mean, not even everything. Like kind of. We're probably just gonna chop into PM. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe we go higher. Yo, by the way, I literally use this in my trade. I feel like you'd be proud, bro. Hold on. What did I use? You're gonna like this. Where is it? Where's Wednesday end dog? Where is it? Probably like right here because oh right here. Look at this, bro. So nice. It literally helped me cast a high of the move. So beautiful, bro. Yeah, I use that right at 950. It lines up with the hourly fair value gap too. End dog on top. End dog on top. What end dog on top? Oh, right here. Unicorn. Look at that hourly fair value gap taken, and then London is a little. It could have been a really. That could have been a really nice runner, bro. Like, how many points would that have been? Because we entered right here. That'd have been 200 right there, and it's probably gonna keep going. FNB plus end dog. Unicorn. Works for me, bro. I wanted these shorts on Euro, but yeah, I'm glad I didn't take it because it looks like we chop. Bro, chop, manipulate higher, and I'm taking the shorts lower. Unless we tap into the bearish value gap here. That changes things. Same with GBP. Gold, I don't fucking know. I want gold to tap into the weekly. USD GPY. Oh yeah, swap sell side, 4 hour fair value gap, retrace. I mean hourly fair value gap. Retrace, boom. Coming back up here. But what's this? Why did I mark this high up? I don't know. CAD GPY looks nice to short. Hey bro, you don't gotta tell me twice. Hold on. What do I got here? What do I got here? Ooh. Previous month low. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. That looks really nice, but I don't know how I'm gonna get in on this. It's pretty low. Yeah, I would need it to come higher. I feel like if I'm gonna swing trade this. How high? That's hard. I do think that low's gonna get taken. I mean, this daily fair value gap would have been nice, but I would have taken it right there. You know what I'm saying? The 4 hour might get tapped in. Like, you think we go to the 4 hour straight to the equal lows? That's 2R. Possible. It's not that clean for me. I don't know. I feel like Monday went lower to manipulate. I wouldn't be surprised if we get something like this after today. Because Monday just did not manipulate. Unless we take out the low one, like you're trading all your margin just to NQ to all-time highs. Bro, if NQ hits all-time, that'd be great because I know Roku. I mean, yo, I feel like NQ is pretty prime for that right now, though. No, we're in a fire spot right now. We have SMT right here inside the weekly bullish fair value gap. Clear ERL, like this looks clean to me. Oh, next month? Yeah, valid. You can catch a lot of, bro. But like, what if this is the low of the move and you caught all-time highs 1,350? That's pretty probable, bro. Like, that really could be the low. Just like it was the low right here when we had SMT inside the daily. Like this was the low SMT daily. Took out all-time highs, lower. Took out that low. Look at the monthly. Fall seasonal quarterly shift bullish again on NQ. I want to see if, yeah, we're gonna have a monthly fair value gap, to be honest. Plus all the big stocks are bearish. Like you said, yeah, I want to see a big run higher after. You see if monthly close below that high. It'll probably close below that high. But I want to just see like the fair value gap, the monthly fair value gap form. But it might not, to be honest. So to be honest, we could make a run for all-time highs. It's oh wait, that's a thousand. Oh, I thought that was I'm tripping. That's a long move. We could go lower off the daily. It's perfect for August. It does look good for August. Yeah, it actually does. The monthly fair value gap's there. The monthly fair value gap's, I mean, it's forming. It's probably going to form because I think we go higher towards the wick. And if we do, I think we might close above the high, come back, tap into the monthly, go again. All stocks go up. Hopefully by then we can buy stocks on the low as well. Everything's lining up. Everything's lining up to be good. The only thing is, I mean, yeah, DXY bearish too, by the way. Like DXY tapped into the daily bearish, continues lower. Isn't there a monthly fair value gap lower on DXY? Yeah, no, there's nothing here actually. If we did go into the monthly and ES has a second weekly, ES has second weekly, yeah. It looks really good, bro. Could just take out the low. Doesn't have to go to the weekly. I mean, it'll probably do both. Oh, if it does both, dude, if it does both, if it does something like this, probably second, like first, if that happens on the first week, like FOMC week, whatever, then we take longs after, bro. Because I don't want to trade FOMC, NFB. But like, hear me out, hear me out. We go higher, we go higher. The week closes there. First week of August, we go lower to the second weekly to sweep sell side. Second week of August, third week, expansion to all-time highs. Golden or what? I'm gonna look to take a position in Forex soon. I think I can do CAD GPY. I'd have to see this high get taken. I feel like I'm not gonna get a good entry. Bro, to I just need Roku to have a nice earnings, which I'm like 100% sure it will, but I need it to hold till Friday 9:30. That's the only thing, bro. Fuck, aftermarket earnings is so shit, bro. Wait, it's in 10 days earnings? I thought it was Thursday. I don't know what he's waiting for. I mean, he said he's been sick. It's possible. Mhm. It would be nice to see him start taking trades. That would be nice. I want to see him trade, bro. Yeah, Roku going to the breaker. Oh. Low, high, low, low, high, high. The breaker here? I think we'll just come for one of these imbalances. Sweep sell side. You don't think he's gonna trade? I think he probably already did and just didn't do that good. There's no way he hasn't taken a single trade, bro. That's some crazy discipline. Oh. Yeah, I don't think he cares. But he was talking bare shit, bro. I just wish he could like shut people up, like he took one silver. Oh, nice. I just wish like he could show like I don't know, shut up just to shut up the haters and just to prove to people like freaking like Romeo and shit. I think it's better because more people would think he is scam. Yeah, more people think he's scam, so less ICT trades out go safe. Yeah, that's true too. There's a lot of haters though. How about you? Bro? You trying to be comedian? Bro, one day maybe, bro. That would be amazing. I would. That sounds amazing to me. That honestly sounds amazing, but I gotta get up there more first. If I was trading Robins, day trading futures, I guess you'd have to day trade futures and then silver bullet. Like I guess what I'm doing now is probably as good as it gets for the most percent return. I wouldn't do forex. I actually hate forex, bro. Your gold is nice. I could start doing 4 hour setups on gold and use 15-minute entries and then looking for weekly objectives potentially. I wanted this short off the weekly sweep, close below, but like, bro, that was a lot of movement. Didn't even retrace once. But I want to trade gold. Oh, sorry. Weekly for value gap. Thought we tapped into the weekly for a sec. What was it daily? We could try to short, like, I think maybe we can short this daily fair value gap and target the weekly daily sell side. That's your weekly range. Yeah, I think that's a fair game plan. We wait for the daily fair value gap to get tapped in. Next previous day high. Maybe we get S&T there. Damn, they are not in line. Yeah, I think that's the plan for gold. Well, I think that's it for me today, guys. Um, Probably gonna go chill, eat some food. Who called me? Hopefully we can catch another win tomorrow, the day after, and the day after that. See ya, bro. You asked me about CS, but I didn't get a chance to play yet, but I think maybe I'll play tonight. Try to level up some more. I can let you know when. But try to look on either ASNQ every October. It's a free money print every October. Bet, bro. Works for me. I mean, I'll be there for sure. So we'll see together. I was playing Apex. Yeah, I played like 2 games of Apex yesterday. Played some chain together. Um, but I can let you know when I can start playing Premiere or Prime, Premiere or Prime, whatever it is. I'll let you know if we can start running some serious games. Should be pretty sick still. Anyway, bro, I'm gonna go eat some food. Thanks, bro. Thank you. See ya. See ya. See ya.